Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to animate a moving object in PowerPoint quickly and easily. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation where you want to animate an object. Next, click on the object or picture you want to animate. This tells PowerPoint exactly which element to apply the animation to. Now, go to the Animations tab at the top. This is where all the animation options are available. Click the animation drop-down menu and choose a motion path animation. You'll see options like straight, curved, or custom paths. Select the one that best fits how you want your object to move. After choosing a motion path, click on Effect options to customize the animation. Here you can adjust the direction, starting point, and ending point of the motion. You can also preview the animation to make sure it moves smoothly across your slide. For a more professional look, consider adjusting the duration and timing in the animations pane. Slower motion works well for emphasis, while faster motion can make your slides feel more dynamic. You can also add multiple motion paths to create complex movements. And that's it. Your object will now move along the path you set, making your slides more engaging and visually appealing. This simple technique can really capture your audience's attention. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.